This is my gaming hardware. It will act like a steering wheel like this one from Logitech. It is very costly. So I am trying to make a cheaper version of it. It's run with a ESP32 Node MCU. It is very low cost and easily available and programmable with MicroPython. This is a 50K variable resistance. It will act like a steering wheel. This is a two switch in a package. You can use two different switches. If I push it forward, the car will go to forward. If I push it in backward, it will first brake and then go to backward. It is not connected with the PC. This is the cable. Open the device manager. It is not showing the hardware now. Let's connect it first. Now we can see USB serial is connected with COM port 6. So you need to change the COM port in the code. Try COM 6. And the joystick game controller, it is still not visible because I have not run the code. Let's run the code. Now you can see a controller Xbox 360 for Windows has been created and it will control the car just like a steering wheel. Let's prove it. Stopping the code. Let's run the game first. It's Tax Live. It is a simulation game. You can control any other game also, like Need for Speed or anything else. So here is my taxi. Now let's prepare for the game. I'm attaching additional cover on my gearbox so that it can be handled easily. And I am putting the steering wheel. This is my toy car steering wheel. Okay. Display. It will respond with this controller. You can see when I pushing it backward is showing 1. When I pushing it forward is changed to 0 to 1. If I move the steering wheel, you can see the value. It actually runs 0 to 1024 easily. I am keeping it middle. Now let's run the code again. Let's see what happened now. Now you can see the steering wheel of the car responding with my controller and steering wheel. The car is not started yet, so when I'll run it and it will work more interactively. What about the gearbox? You can see the gearbox of the car is responding with my controller gearbox. Now start the car with Y button. Car is started. So now I am playing with the keyboard. I can do the same with my steering also. Change the camera position so that you can see what is happening. Here is the code for virtual gamepad. After connecting the gamepad with computer USB port, it will create a COM port. Mention the COM port here. Everything will be work fine with this code. I am scrolling down the code slowly so that you can copy it easily. Some lines out of the window. Here is the full code. This is the circuit diagram. I have used ESP8266, not MCU. You can use any other ESP board like ESP32, but the board must have one analog to digital pin because variable resistance R1 must be connected with analog to digital pin to act like a steering wheel. OLED display is optional. You can remove it and delete the codes associated with this OLED display. This is MicroPython code. It will run on any ESP32 or ESP8266 microcontroller. I'm using ESP8266 not MCU microcontroller. Here's the full code. I am scrolling down slowly so that you can easily copy the code. That's all for today. If you face any problem, please comment below.